Righto, another onion update. It's another colour. Not quite the colour we want yet, but the whole thing is in high build primer. It's been a shitty day, as you can probably hear from the light rain splashing on the roof. It's been on and off light rain all day. That old trusty heater blower is going to make sure that this all stays nice and warm and dry throughout the night. I did get the last coat on probably 45 minutes ago, but I've been cleaning everything. Yep, it's all in high build primer. So tomorrow is going to be a nice good day of guide coating and blocking back, making sure we've got this as smooth as this beat up onion can get, which I tell you, we've got it looking pretty damn good. Yep. So then Saturday we'll get it out. I'm going to clean the whole shed, wash the whole shed, everything, get all in preparation for the colour, the black and the wild violet and the clear on Sunday. All going well. Now I'm off to Bunnings now to go and buy me a heat extraction fan doobie lackey so we can set this up for Sunday. Righto.